7 best crossovers this 2023 tested. Crossovers have quickly risen in popularity for a reason. They provide you with the best of both worlds, blending the spaciousness and practicality of an SUV with that of a car. Of family-friendly vehicles, crossovers offer plenty of room to stretch out, whether it be for passengers or cargo. Plus, crossovers boast elevated seating positions to ensure better visibility and a more commanding presence on the road. They don't just excel when it comes to function either. These vehicles are loaded with technology features alongside plush comfort. Whether it's about performance, safety, design or fuel efficiency, today's premier crossover models go above and beyond in every area. Hello car lovers, this is Joe from Carland TV, and in this video I've listed some of the best crossovers in the market this 2023. By the way, this isn't a complete rundown of all the hybrid SUVs out there. I just handpicked a few units that I think shine more than the rest. And if you have contentions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Before we start, I'd like to ask you the favour of hitting the subscribe and notification bells. They help the channel a lot. Now, let's get back to the video. 2023 Volkswagen Taos. The 2023 Volkswagen Taos has finally arrived in the extra small SUV segment, and it aims to make a splash, combining attractive styling, potent performance and innovative tech features into a remarkably spacious package. VW's latest entry is more than worthy of consideration. Generous standard equipment levels across the lineup to ensure every Taos comes with essential safety features for added peace of mind. Under the hood lies a 158 horsepower turbocharged 1.5-litre 4-cylinder engine that defies its size. This speedster delivers when accelerating through city traffic, or along country roads alike, not forgetting it's rated at 34 mpg on the highway too. Venturing inside reveals ample passenger space paired with a wide range of cargo options, along with additional techs such as blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assistance included on premium models. The panoramic sunroof provides expansive views during those summer drives out in the countryside, perfect for relaxing on long weekend getaways away from home. Overall, if you want value for money alongside dependable day-to-day practicality, look no further than the generously equipped 2023 Volkswagen Taos. It ticks both boxes effortlessly, while also incorporating intuitive design choices that will leave passengers feeling relatively pampered during longer commutes and catering to eco-friendly drivers, all within reach without breaking the bank either. 2023 BMW X1. BMW's latest interior design philosophy is showcased in the new X1. The sleek glass-encased digital instrument cluster and driver-orientated touchscreen offers a seamless and minimalist experience. This streamlined system is based on BMW's advanced iX technology, eliminating the need for multiple buttons or climate controls, and integrating everything within menus and submenus for efficient and easy access. While the voice control features work well, making simple adjustments, like turning off the vehicle alerts, can be time-consuming without the traditional iDrive controller knob, which has been removed after faithfully serving for over 2 decades. However, this removal allows for increased storage capacity, making the cabin more spacious for everyday use. The X1 also comes standard with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, as well as a blind spot warning system that includes a safe exit feature to protect occupants from approaching traffic when opening the doors. Additional features include augmented reality navigation support, video recording capabilities in case of theft, and hands-free driving in specific conditions. While focusing on technology, let's not overlook the core driving dynamics. The X1 offers a slightly firm ride, but it compensates with sporty handling and the confidence of an all-wheel drive. However, there are some ergonomic quirks, particularly with the over-responsive braking pedal, which may take some time to get used to. Nonetheless, in emergency situations, the braking performance is excellent, ensuring that this luxury SUV provides genuine comfort both inside and out. Excellent, ensuring that this luxury SUV provides genuine comfort both inside and out. Mazda CX-50. The 2023 Mazda CX-50 is an all-new compact SUV that is sold alongside the existing CX-5. It's an unusual situation to have two similar SUVs competing in the same class, but there are enough differences to justify each model. You'll notice it on the outside, as the CX-50 has a slightly more rugged appearance due to its pronounced fenders and slimmer grille. Pleasingly, it's not just for show. The CX-50 offers improved off-road and towing capabilities compared to the CX-5 and many other rival SUVs. Much of the CX-50's adventure abilities can be attributed to its off-road drive mode, which cleverly combines the steering and traction control systems to keep the vehicle on its intended path with ease. Depending on the trim level, the CX-50 also offers either 8.3 or 8.6 inches of ground clearance. The latter figure is comparable to the outdoorsy Subaru Forester's 8.7 inches. Additionally, the CX-50 Meridian Edition that includes all-terrain tyres. The 2023 CX-50 will be Mazda's first vehicle to come out of the new Huntsville, Alabama plant, a joint venture with Toyota. You can choose between the base 187 horsepower, 4-cylinder engine and the more powerful turbo version that generates a healthy 256 horsepower when using 93-octane gas. Yes, these are the same engines offered with the CX-5. However, the CX-50 is rated to tow more, up to 3,500 pounds with the turbo engine, which is quite impressive for a small SUV and enough to easily pull a small trailer or boat. Key rivals to the CX-50, aside from its CX-5 sibling, include the redesigned Honda CR-V, Hyundai Tucson, and Subaru Forester. Among these options, the CX-50 is an excellent alternative for those seeking a fun and engaging drive. Mercedes-Benz GLC Class. The all-new 2023 Mercedes-Benz GLC Class initiates the second generation of the compact luxury SUV. The original model, released in 2016, consistently earned top ratings for comfort and refinement in its class. This redesigned GLC builds upon those qualities with a more sophisticated appearance, achieved through an interior inspired by the S-Class and a sleeker exterior that exudes chic urban vibes. Supporting the updated aesthetics are incremental improvements in the rear passenger space and cargo area, adding utility to the GLC. Currently, the GLC 300 is the sole main trim level. It's equipped with a turbocharged 2-litre 4-cylinder engine generating 258 horsepower and 295 pounds-feet of torque. The torque output has significantly increased compared to the previous year, largely thanks to the powertrain's new mild hybrid system. Although not a full hybrid like a Prius, it boosts fuel economy by enabling the engine to shut off and coast under light loads. Additional powertrain options, including a plug-in hybrid and a sport-focused AMG model, are expected to debut later in 2023 or 2024 model years. Of course, the 2023 GLC competes with other compelling small SUVs, such as the Acura RDX, Audi Q5, BMW X3, Genesis GV70, and Volvo XC60. Audi SQ5. The 2023 Audi SQ5 is the perfect compromise for those who are looking to fulfill their need for speed, while also needing a versatile compact SUV. The turbocharged V6 engine, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, gives this sporty pick increased power over its Q5 stablemate, allowing it to reach 349 horsepower compared to the 261 provided by its twin. Although less powerful than many of its competitors, such as the Porsche Macan GTS or BMW X3 M40i, which boast 382 horsepower and 434 horsepower respectively, this isn't stopping your transportation dreams. The sticky tyres and larger wheels allow for stiffer suspension, keep up the pace in terms of performance, making acceleration quick and taking you from 0 to 60 in 5.3 seconds. Impressive. What's more, luxury vibes can be felt throughout this automobile in every aspect. As you settle for your ride within the cabin, you'll find yourself barely hearing any noise, wind, tyre or otherwise, making each journey smooth yet thrilling if that's what takes your fancy, thanks to its adjustable engine loudness feature. Plus, there's no need to worry about climate control, as that, too, can easily be adjusted, getting you the desired airflow and keeping things comfortable at all times. So, what more could one want? When considering the power versus money involved, it's safe to say without a doubt that Audi has created another winner here, folks. Jeep Grand Cherokee. The 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee is here, and it's apparent that this all-new mid-size SUV means business. Built upon the sleek body of its Grand Wagoneer sibling, this vehicle has been completely redesigned for 2022, with bold styling that never forgets to be practical. Inside, passengers can get comfortable in at least 2 rows of seating, complemented by an improved Uconnect 5 infotainment system and a fully digital gauge cluster display. Drivers have their choice between highly efficient V6 or V8 engines right out of the gate. However, there are more adventurous options available. For instance, an eye-catching plug-in hybrid version called 4xe comes with 375 horsepower as well as the 470 pounds-per-feet of torque, plus the ability to drive approximately 25 miles on a full electric charge before any assistance from gasoline kicks in. Even off-road driving lovers can find their groove with the Trailhawk's modified 4xe technology installed under its hood, exclusively for their vehicles. Kia Telluride. The Kia Telluride is making waves on the SUV market, and for good reason. Awarded an Edmunds Top-Rated Award every year since its inception in 2020, it's established itself as a leader among 3-row vehicles. Its V6 engine gives users raw power to match its smooth ride quality, while its luxurious interior provides comfort and ample space. Enough so that even adult passengers fit comfortably in the 3rd row of seats. And with a plethora of features at an affordable cost combined with generous warranty package, it's no surprise why this model stands out from the competition. For 2023, Kia has upped their game by introducing 2 new sub-trim options, X-Line and X-Pro. Available on certain existing trim levels, these help make overall exterior aesthetics more rugged than ever. Drivers can also appreciate how well the Telluride performs. 0 to 60 mph times recorded by my tests were comparable to similar models like the Honda Pilots or Hyundai Palisades, 7.5 seconds sprint rate, thanks to dynamic brakes that ensure control as speeds slow down, with 123 feet stops from 60 mph. Drivers feel utterly secure when behind the wheel of this massive machine. Moreover, comfort isn't compromised either. Ergonomically contoured seats offer grip throughout long trips, while outside noise can barely pass through cabin walls, providing a near luxury car silence even during faster speeds on highways or freeways alike, maintaining equilibrium between power and cozy rides, all tucked in wisely within one stout frame. And that completes our list. Thanks for sticking out until the end. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and share buttons. I know it's a chore, but it helps the channel a lot. Until next time, drive safely.